Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I want to share a magical simmering potpourri recipe that will make your home smell like the Yuletide season and will make a magical gift as well. Let's do some magical crafting. I'm starting the simmering potpourri with bay leaves. Bay leaves are for wishes. It's very common for witches to write an intention or wish on a bay leaf and burn it to release the intention to the universe. In this case, I'm writing my wishes on the leaves to simmer in the water. If you'd like to add wishes to your food recipes, you can use a non-toxic, edible ink marker instead of a Sharpie. The wishes I want to add to my home are prosperity, a joyful home, gratitude, and peace. Setting aside the bay leaves, let's put some water in a pot on a low heat. You only want to simmer the potpourri, not boil it. And you'll want to use several cups of water because some of it will evaporate over time. First, I add rosemary for protection and cleansing energy and a clean herbal scent. Next, I add pine needles. Pine brings with it a strong magical protection for your home and also creates a sense of hospitality and welcome. I added 2 kinds of conifer and a few small pine cones. The next addition is star anise. Anise seeds are used in many love, passion, and fertility spells. It is a spice associated with the sun and the Greek god Apollo. It has strong protective energy and can bring restful sleep and guards against bad dreams. Allspice is used for drawing money, luck, healing, and obtaining treasure. Allspice is very uplifting and increases energy and determination, making it useful in many different types of spells, especially healing spells. Whole cloves draw wealth and prosperity and drive away hostile and negative forces. It can enhance love and romantic feelings while providing protection and clearing negativity. Bringing money is another added bonus. Cinnamon sticks are used for both love and luck magic. It will not only help you attract success, it's wonderful for bringing healing, protection, and love into your life. It can even help you enhance your psychic powers. A great, versatile spiritual spice, cinnamon has a wide range of magical uses, which is why I love it so much, but beware that it may cause skin irritation. Orange slices are associated with success and prosperity. They carry an uplifting and energizing energy and can help generate happiness and joy. Give oranges as gifts to help strengthen friendships and relationships. Oranges attract abundance and good fortune. Orange peel is associated with the sun, joy, and inspiration. Apples have been traditionally associated with love. The apple is a symbol of abundance and bounty in many cultures, as a plentiful apple crop means the rest of your harvest will be prosperous. It represents fertility and creativity. The scents of apple and cinnamon are very traditional during the Yule season. And finally, I'm adding in my bay leaves with all of the intentions I have for my home. Let this magic potion simmer for as long as you like. It will fill your home with amazing scents. And because they're natural rather than perfumes, it's less likely to cause allergies or headaches. While the simmer pot simmers and makes the whole house smell wonderful, I'm going to put together a Simmering Potpourri gift for a friend as well. I'm using a recycled glass jar and filling it halfway with pine needles. Then I'm tucking a few dried apples and orange slices in along the sides. I'm adding some cinnamon sticks, some cedar tips, and some rosemary. It's important to use dried pine needles and rosemary in a gift jar so that moisture from fresh herbs does not grow mold into a sealed jar. I'm filling the rest of the jar with pine cones, allspice berries, and whole cloves. The final addition is a few blank bay leaves so that the recipient can write their own wishes and add them to the brew. Other options for classic spicy Yuletide scents are nutmeg, vanilla, and bergamot. Nutmeg is often used in works involving abundance. Nutmeg powder or essential oil can be used to draw prosperity and money. Use it to draw wealth to your household. Vanilla is often paired with cinnamon for abundance spells and magical workings. Vanilla will also attract good fortune and promote a happy home. You can add a vanilla bean pod to the jar if you have it on hand. Bergamot is an aromatic plant that's usually thought of as a tea herb. It has a spicy citrus scent. Bergamot draws money, luck, and success. I also love its light citrusy scent. You can use it instead of dried orange slices if you prefer. Once the jar is filled, simply write a label or add a gift tag. I think this makes a wonderful gift that anyone would be happy to receive. It's a jar full of abundance, love, and luck. And now we return to our simmering potion. I know that you can't leave a pot boiling on the stove all day, but you can extend the magic of the scents in the simmering potpourri by straining the liquid into a jar and reserving it to use later. I like to add this liquid to my humidifier and diffuser, or put some into a spray bottle and use it to freshen a room for a holiday gathering or musty furniture or spaces anytime. I hope this video has inspired you to make your own simmering potpourri blend and has given you some ideas of what to add to it. And I hope you have a joyful Yuletide season and a blessed winter solstice.